Meanwhile, in the city of Manila, outgoing Mayor Alfredo Lim has conceded defeat to former President Joseph Estrada. Lim said he was wishing his successor all the best. This report.
It was quite a short but firm goodbye from Manila's Mayor Alfredo Lim when he led his loyal people in thanking everyone, especially the people of Manila, for all their support in the last local elections. Likewise congratulated the tandem of former President Joseph Erap Estrada and re-electionist Vice Mayor Francisco Dumagoso in lording it over the mayoralty and vice mayoralty race in the premier city of Manila in the last local elections.
Hindi ba dapat kahapon nandito tayo? Yung pala hindi pa na-proclaim. Kaya sabi ko, hintayin natin ang proclamation. I was informed yesterday afternoon President Estrada and Vice Mayor were proclaimed by the Comelec. Sige, ito ang aking announcement. Yesterday afternoon, the Comelec proclaimed the election of President Erap Estrada and Vice Mayor Isko Dumagoso. We respect and acknowledge the said proclamation and wish them all the best. We would like to thank our relatives, friends, and the Manileños for their support, trust, and confidence in us. Thank you, and God bless us all. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
After his short appearance, Lim directly proceeded to his office. Actor Lou Veloso was more vocal with his reactions about their loss to his co-actors, Erap and Isko.
Ibinigay nila na pag-asa sila ng mahirap. So siguro yun yung challenge sa kanila ngayon. And congratulations sa ating Mayor Erap and Vice Mayor Isko. And may God be with you.
Although June 30th of this year is a scheduled turnover of responsibilities and services for the incoming authority to Mayor Lim's friends and people, it's going to be a different scenario, especially when Dirty Harry would no longer be felt and seen in the historic premises.